about the various component of the cell, that was cell wall, cell membrane and the nucleus. And today we will discuss about the cytoplasm. It is the liquid part in which other organelles are floating. That is, in the cytoplasm, it is a thick jelly like fluid inside the cell which is bounded by a cell membrane, and this fluid is also occupies the space between the cell membrane and the nucleus. जो भी fluid है, आपको liquid part दिख रहा है जिसमें different organelles क्या करती हैं, they are going to float inside the cell. That liquid is known as, that jelly like fluid is known as cytoplasm. So we will discuss it in detail. There is a structure in this cell. You can see there is a cell membrane, there is a cytoplasm, there is a nucleus and nucleolus. और जो भी cell organelles हैं, how where they are floating, where they are present, जैसे हम example like a balloon, एक balloon को water से fill कर लें और अगर हम उस balloon के अंदर we are going to put some candies, कुछ toy के अंदर आप डाल दीजिए, तो इट विल लुक लाइक कि जो फ्लूइड के अंदर है, जो डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनेलीज हैं वो क्या करती हैं, फ्लोट करती हैं. दैट इज़ द कॉन्सेप्ट which I gave you the example related to this, that cytoplasm in which other organelles are floating, like they are present inside the cytoplasm. So cytoplasm, it is a substance that fills the cell, जो cell को क्या करता है, completely fill करता है, and it occupies whole space between the cell membrane and the nucleus also. It is found, it is a jelly like substance and the cytoplasm is 80% water and it is clear in color. Although it is 80% water, but it is very thick jelly like than the watery substance, but when you shake or stir it, it will liquefies more. And cytoplasm contains dissolved nutrients, so there are various functions of the cytoplasm. The nucleus is floats within the cytoplasm, changing its shape as it moves. So there we will study about the basic function of the cytoplasm also. So here you can see another picture. There is a cytoplasm, nucleus and cell membrane. So these are three basic components which are present in every cell, whether there is a plant cell or animal cell. तो अब बेसिक कंपोनेंट में अगर हम न्यूक्लियस और साइटोप्लाज्म, ध्यान से देखिए न्यूक्लियस कहाँ है, साइटोप्लाज्म कहाँ लेबल किया हुआ है. साइटोप्लाज्म, इट इज़ अ लिक्विड विच इज़ सराउंडिंग द न्यूक्लियस. एंड जब हम न्यूक्लियस और साइटोप्लाज्म, दे आर व्हेन दे आर कंबाइंड, they are known as protoplasm. Nucleus plus cytoplasm, that is known as protoplasm. All the living matter which is present in a cell, that is called protoplasm. और protoplasm कैसे किसकी combination से बनता है, protoplasm is combination, it is the nucleus and cytoplasm are together, इन दोनों को together combination में हम क्या बोलते हैं, protoplasm. Okay. And what are the function of the cytoplasm? There are various functions because there are various enzymes which are present in the cytoplasm which are responsible for various metabolic activities. So we will discuss this in detail. Cytoplasm, the new substances are built from the material taken into the cell, energy is released, stored. It has many tiny structures. ये आपको मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि सेल के अंदर जैसे हमारी बॉडी के डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स होते हैं, उसी तरह से सेल के अंदर भी क्या होती हैं, देयर आर डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द सेल, दे आर कॉल्ड सेल ऑर्गेनेलीज. And it has many tiny structures and their structures are present in the cytoplasm. और इन structures को हम क्या बोलते हैं, these are called cell organelles. For example mitochondria, ribosomes, ये सारी क्या है, सेल के organs हैं जो different functions करते हैं. like mitochondria function करता है, it is a power house of the cell. एंड राइबोसोम, दे आर द प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. तो डिफरेंट फंक्शंस ये करते हैं जो ऑर्गेनेली, जो पार्ट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं सेल के अंदर. लेकिन ये कहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं, कौन से फ्लूइड में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, उसके बारे में हमें पढ़ना है. दैट फ्लूइड इज नोन एज साइटोप्लाज्म. What are the function of cytoplasm? It help in the movement of genetic material. कल आपको मैंने डिस्कस किया था, genetic material, transfer of characters from parents to offspring, and the product of cellular respiration कैसे होता है within the cell, breakdown of food कैसे होता है. It helps to fill out the cell, completely fill करता है because it occupies the space between the cell membrane and the nucleus. It keeps the organelle in their place. It gives the shell its shape. It helps to dissolve the waste products. Okay. So it remove the waste material, it help in the cell respiration, it convert glucose into